Hi, good morning. What an exciting moment when we talk about AI and software. And now we maybe cool down a little bit, talk about hardware. So we are going to discuss about the embedded core design service, drive global embedded business growth. Do you remember how much revenue Miller mentioned Advantech in the core design business? Anybody know? 330 million US dollar. We are talking about money, not just money, big money. Okay, so this is an important topic, right? Advantech is a global leader in providing the embedded computing product and design services. We offer complete product portfolio from embedded board, system, wireless connectivity solution, AI module, to device on the IoT enabling software. You know what happened? Actually, I'm thinking how to make this session more excited. I like drive, and I drive fast. I think embedded business is like a F1 motorsport. How to win the F1 motorsport? Time. Time is a crucial thing, right? So we need good driver, champion driver. We also need a good team to support. So passion, addiction, focus. But we still need good engine, transmission, suspension, all the setup. So if you are Schumacher and we are Ferrari, right? That's right. Okay. So so this session I want to explain why Advantech design service can enable our partner business in future application software. That's your main job. Leave the dirty job to us. Okay, hardware business, that's our expertise. We are doing for over 35 years, and we are expertise. We are mostly efficient and most with more knowledge on that. Okay, look at this. Our engineer, your engineers, they are suffering. They forget the wedding anniversary, forget the wife birthday, because of what? Time to market. Time to market is crucial. What Advantech can do is we provide the technology innovation during the plan and POC stage. We offer the design service and software service during the EVT, DVT, and PVT. We offer integration service and the MP stage. Also supply chain management, longevity support, version bias, 10 years support. That's our job. That's a lousy job. Your value is in the future. AI software enabled. Okay, so today I want to invite Rex to talk about the technology innovation. So we know we have a lot of new stuff delivering. So what's the technology and new platform you are delivering today?
Okay, let's Rex. I think I will start from the platform innovation. Actually, we start from PC 104 in 1992. Advantech is already in the embedding market for more than 30 years. So today is almost 3 weeks to 2020. We are here. We are ready announce a lot of platforms to the market and also join association to release the standards together with partners. So today, we're going to bring the UTX, the palm size industrial motherboard, the MIO extension, UL40 Express for easy I/O expansion, the CAM HPC to bring the server-grade computing performance to the edge. Then talking about in the IoT era, I think the massive data processing capability, time-sensitive, low latency communication, and easy remote management with security mechanism inside is the market pain points. The COM HPC, the new developing standard with PICNG, is going to release its spec in the first half of 2020. It's going to bring the server-grade computing performance to the edge computer with 100 watt processor and maximum 1 GB memory support. The new design I/O have been dramatically increased its I/O bandwidth to support the USB 4.0, PCI Gen 4, and even PCI Gen 5 is considered to be covered to support the next 5 years I/O technologies. Not only the high-speed, super high-speed I/O bandwidth, the easy I/O expansion capability is also one of the matters for engineers to design embedded systems. The MIO extension that offers x86, a very quick way to expand the I/O for vertical market. For ARM-based platform solutions, UL40 Express is capable to provide customers a fast I/O design for vertical applications as well. Today, the thinner and smaller dimensions are the major challenge for engineers to shrink down the system dimensions. The UTX, the pound size, industrial motherboard, has reduced 45% of PCBA, but also provide 80% of major functionality compared with many ITX. It also comes with a EPC U series, the overshield chassis. No matter the high-end Intel Core i processor or entry-level A10 processor, the samples are ready for evaluation. Talking about the rock applications, as in the wide temperature, anti-vibration, anti-dust, and also the production quality are the major factors for engineers to design the product to ensure the product is capable to function well in critical environments. Advantech will leverage the embedded code design services to accelerate the design process step by step from the thermal design, simulation, and also the validation to ensure the product is capable to work well even for the mill standards. While chasing for super high speed performance, the efficiency of thermal solution is really the matter. The new release, the Quattro Flow cooling systems, is capable to release 100% compute power of 45 watt processor with no throttling. It also generates super light noise. It's 45 dB. It's something like when you're reading in libraries. The QFCS system also reduces its height and also slim down the dimensions, which is the perfect solution for embedded systems. How Advantech will design the extended temperature products? The engineer, let's start from the component selections. Only qualified component can be selected, and we leverage the thermal camera to check the hotspot. Then the product need to test in the temperature chambers to ensure the working condition is running well at from -40 up to 85 degrees. So Steve, I think the factory in the next building, they are capable to provide the IPC A610G Class 3 certified process together with the corner bonding, conformal coating, and also with 100% extended temperature sorting process. I think at Advantech, we are ready to offer the design services for ruggedized applications.
Yes, actually we test our product, no matter hardware product, software product, integration solution, also the SRP solution. Actually, we also implement in our own factory application in our building. So because we are user, we know the problem and we improve it. So that's will support and help our partner, right? That's the most important part. So Advantech design service can ensure all the design stage, all the engineering demand are fulfilled and shorten the design cycle and the creation cycle, right? And now talk about the software. Why software is so important in the design stage, and what's the unique service we can provide to our customer?
Okay, thank you, Steve. I think Steve just mentioned, forget your wife birthday is life and death issue. So let me do that. So, but most important is you want to make your application really work without any problem. Then software is the key. If we say the hardware is the bone of our IoT application, then software should be the soul. And we all agree, if your software didn't work as you expect, no value is able to provide to end user. So most important thing for all of you is how to make sure your application software can run on the hardware without any problem. Then different layer of middleware, firmware, and even utility are needed to this thing to make this thing done. Except the hardware innovation and the service Rex just introduced. Advantech embedded code design service, we also provide a series of software service from the BIOS layer to the embedded OS layer to the application API and the cloud services. With those kind of service, we are able to help you to integrate your embedded software with Advantech's hardware quickly and easily to make sure your product time to market. So first, let me start from the BIOS customer service. We all agree a lot of basic features like a quick boot, changing the boot logo, fine-tuning your display are requested by configuration. But that might be a question just show up in your mind, because most of our IPC maker in the market, they also provide a BIOS configuration service. So what is the difference of Advantech's BIOS configuration and others? I think the major difference is on experience and management. Talking about the experience, Advantech, we have more than 50 experienced BIOS engineers inside the company and provide a BIOS configuration to our customer. And we are also the VIP partner of major BIOS company like AMI and Inside BIOS. So we have confidence the BIOS we support to customer to you is high quality and reliable solutions. Talking about the management, actually inside Advantech, we have a process and SOP to manage all the BIOS requirements from your side. So all the data will keep in our database for at least 10 years. So if 5 years after, you want to migrate your solution from old platform to new platform, for us, it's very easy to find out what kind of a customization have you done 5 years ago and move the same configuration to a new platform without spending too much time to figure out what happened 5 years ago. And it can also reduce the potential risk when we are doing the platform migration. So the customer service BIOS configuration from Advantech, we are not just provide the reliable BIOS solution for you, but also help you to provide a BIOS lifetime management. So this is the major difference. After BIOS done, the next question is embedded OS. And we were all agreeing that embedded Linux and Android is getting more and more important for the IoT applications. But the problem is there are too many different versions in the market. It makes the feature or driver integration become many difficult things. So in order to fulfill this kind of new market challenge and demand, Advantech have released our own online industrial module Linux and Android, what we call the AI Linux and Android. Actually, there are two parts contained in the AI Linux and Android. The first part is unified embedded platform. The next part is application add-ons and SDKs. For the unified embedded platform, actually we optimized the different hardware platforms performance like NXP, Rockchip, and TI solution. And we also built in a lot of useful embedded I/O and lots of useful peripheral driver into our BSP. So for you, you don't need to search those kind of driver or develop those embedded I/O feature by yourself when you are building an embedded Linux or Android with Advantech AI Linux and Android. The next part is about the APP add-ons and the SDK. And AI Linux and Android will also include a lot of useful features for your applications, like a launcher, different launcher to have a cool boot. We also include a lot of protocol inside our AI Linux and Android. We also allow you to do the remote management, maintenance, to update your firmware, so the OTA, also like a security feature, the AI utility, all included in the AI Linux and Android. So you can easily direct took those part feature and integrate into your application software without spending time to do the development by yourself. So actually, AM Linux and Android can bring you three major benefits. First, it's modular design, so it's flexible, adapt the part you need for your application. It's cross-platform, so you are easy to move your solution, your software from one platform to another one. The second one I just mentioned, it provides a lot of ready-to-use software features for your application, so you can save your time to deliver those features by yourself. The last one is about the longevity support. So you can see this roadmap for the AM Linux. So we are keeping adding the different new hardware platform and a new software feature into the latest version of AM Linux. So we can make sure we can continue provide the latest support to Advantech hardware platform. And this is also the commitment from Advantech on the embedded Linux and Android. Here comes some example to show you how the AM Linux can help you to time to market your application. We are going to release a full series of NXP AdvantechX solution from AdvantechX QM, QuamX, to AdvantechX X. All of those platforms will be supported by AM Linux. So we will optimize all the platform performance and also add a lot of features and driver to support those hardware. And as mentioned, a lot of application ready solution features already bundled in the AM Linux and Android. So you can direct to those features and build up your system. So Advantech is not just provide the latest hardware platform, but also with a ready to use Linux and Android BSP to help you to build up your embedded Linux and Android quickly. This is another example to show you how Advantech is able to provide a ready to use ARM-based box system with a software-ready solution by the AM Linux and Android. In this year, we released a new form factor, a new standard we call the UIL40 Express. With this standard, it allows you to build up your ARM-based system quickly by select the code board you want to go with a different I/O board and integrate as a hardware system. And go with the AM Linux Android integrate with a widespread device on. We will build a ready-to-use Linux and Android on top of this hardware box. So you just put your application on top of this box, and your application is ready to go. So this is another example to show you how the advanced AM Linux can help you your product time to market. So all of those are utility and software we are put on the website. So you just select the model for Advantech and you can get all the software resources you need from website. So now the OS ready, the BIOS ready, the OS ready. The next question is how to link your application feature with hardware features like a smart fan, brightness control, hardware monitoring. In the past, you need to understand the hardware design and write some code directly approach those hardware features. But different platforms have a different hardware design. So once you want to move your platform from old one to new one, you need to modify your software again. So Advantech has released a series we call the Embedded Feature API to provide those hardware features to you by quickly way. So you just make sure your embedded application software has code the right API, then you got a hardware feature works. Even you want to change your platform from one platform to another one, you don't need to modify your application software. So Advantech Embedded Feature API is easy to use, easy to upgrade, and easy to integration software for your application to access the hardware features. And that's why I go to show you is about our widespread device on features. And we all know if you want to make sure your IoT application is able to provide a service continuously, you need to make sure all the IoT devices are linked, management, and under good condition. Otherwise, you need to pay a high cost for maintain all the device. So in order to make this thing happen, so it also showed us the importance of IoT remote device management utility. So in order to make this happen, at the moment we release a wide spot device on, and now all the standard product from the AIoT team will all support the device on. So it allow you to have a remote control, remote management all of those devices, and you can also upgrade the firmware through the OTA features, and you can also get the latest in time notice or alarm. If something goes wrong, you can take immediate reactions. So with Advantech wide spot device on, we are helping you to build up your own IoT device network on a reliable way. So you can reduce the maintenance cost for your application and increase the efficiency of your applications. So I just introduced a series of software service from Advantech. The purpose for we to provide those service to help you to speed up the integration of hardware and software at your side. And this is the core value of Advantech hardware products. And this is the major difference compared to Advantech and other IPC makers. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron. I think the reason why Advantech can be successful in the market is not we are looking for, we are number one. No. We want to enable your business, speed up your business, make your engineer easier to deploy your application. In this way, you can be successful, and then we can be success. So that's the reason for result. So $330 million, that's not the purpose. Your success is our mission. Okay, so now I will invite Tony An. Tony An, he's in charge of the Korean market, and I want to listen how you enable our customer success in Korea.
Okay, thanks, Steve. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony An from Advantech Korea. So I will introduce about our success case. So before presentation, I appreciate our customer because a lot of customers join this event and they willing to join our big event. So 20 our partners. First of all, thank you for our partners. And then I have to say true because some of customer inside my slide, so I have to tell everybody truth. Okay. So first, I just define three kind of model, business model. One is the standard product service. Another one is the semi-customizing service. Another is a full range of custom centronic service. So first page, I would like to introduce our success case for a amended kiosk machine. So these application are, one is the smart parking, another one is the self-gas, and then EV charging. Miller already mentioned about that we have to enlarge business from the standard product. So we have to using our standard product to approach our customer, and then we success landing down those real cases. So every let's take a one by one application story. So first one is the smart parking. They have to they would like to using our board, but they are very specific chassis they are using. So we have to meet their requirement, and then we have to provide our many series board, and then compact size, and then OS embedded OS service together, and then they are just specified our service, and then we are smoothly letting down smart parking service. And then self-gas solution, they are very particular requirement. One is the anti-vibration. Another one is the anti-electronicity. Because the self-gas dispenser is very serious vibration, so we have to pass the reliability test, and then they are just decide to using this our standard board using their gas dispenser. Next one is the new passion application, EV charging. We already landing down self-gas dispenser market, and then we are studying research about what's the new market. So we found that it's the EV charging, and then we first
supplier into EV charging market in Korea, and then Korea vendor already won big project in worldwide. So our customer success is our success. So EV charging also, they ask some of the special feature, valued feature. One is the preload OS. Another one is the some of the certification. We satisfy their requirement, and then we leading down this market. Okay, next page is a medical. I'm an expert for this product, because since 2014 I just approach in Korea medical ultrasound market, and then I run from the medical market a lot. So I just very professional for this market. So in Korea, 4 major player, ultrasound player in Korea, it's very lucky for me, because a very big customer, GE, Samsung, Arpinion, and Siemens. They are one by one approach, and then their requirement is very similar. First one, they supporting customizing thermal design, and then very low profile the cooler. That's why Lex mentioned about the quadro cooling system is because of me, because customer asking a very low profile and then high performance thermal solution. First thing. And the second is the this market is customer ask us not only customizing biozone EC, but also hardware part they want to change. So we have to meet their requirement and then satisfy their requirement. So third one is the ultrasound. One thing is very special thing. It's a noise. They has a very serious imaging noise they have, like here. So we have to solve this kind of problem, and then at our design stage, our R&D considering to this kind of issue. So just avoid some of high speed path is nearby power part. So we have to design avoid this kind of noise for this market, and then of course strong local technical support and then longevity service. That's the key issue for semi customizing service market. And next one is the okay. This one is the full range customizing service. So we are approaching standard product and then semi customizing with the SOM, and then final we custom centronic service. It's a full range of the ODM case. So we approached robotics company first. We won 2 new ODM case, and then Tusan is a CNC machine provider in Korea. Another is Golf Zone gaming company, and CMS is a FA company, OHT application, and then Samsung G. They still using our SOM. Also, they would like to just kick off our ODM case with Advantech. So Samsung 1 case and G 1 case. So this is my last page. So as you know, our business is first time how to approach customer. It's very important things. First time customer approach, we just using single board approach the one of Hyundai robotics company, and then we provide the AIMB motherboard only at that time, because they are needed to supporting very special OS kind of VX works. So we support OS porting and then hardware together. And then some of period passed, and then they really want to co-work with us about system level business. And then our just full range ODM with Hyundai Robotics for full system. Right now is here, and then next stage is they are discussing with us total control box business with us. Because we just provide the box PC inside box PC, but they wanted to total solution provide them. So we are discussing with them and in progress right now. Next one is they also consider AI solution with the robot solution, because they are skilled worker pattern data already they get, and then they through AI they are just become very smart robotics, replace current skilled worker right now. So this is our last stage. So right now we are discussing here, and then after that we also discuss with that partner about AI solution together. So AKR right now is three kind of business. One is the standard, one is the semi customizing, another last one is the full range of ODM case. So this is my presentation, and then thanks.
Thank you very much. Tony is very, very humble and down to earth. So that's the reason we can grow business. But actually, all the Advantech is very humble and down to earth. So hardware business, very important. AI, that's the future. That's your job. Hardware business, down to earth, our job. Okay? So I want to make a quick recap. We have to know all these terms, very important. Regarding innovative technology, we are offering the next generation server grade COM HPC, support 1 terabyte ECC memory and super I/O speed bandwidth. Okay, multi-hour expansion card 2.5, 3.5 inch. If we utilize UIF 40 pin displays, you can build up your ARM-based system in simply 5 steps. That's an innovative idea we offering. The last, quadro-flow cooling system can 100% release your computing power. Power without control is nothing. Cooling system control your power, 100% release. Software services, wide path device sound. This is crucial. Because why? Our partner is equipment maker, system integrator. Afterward, actually, all the equipment maker will move into equipment as service. So all the equipment you manufacture, you ship out to a market, need connectivity, need monitor, need management, even collect data from customer side. And Advantech is the only one supplier can offer you a platform, computing board, connecting software, data management, device monitor, security software, all together. We call it device sound, wide path device sound. And we free bundle in all of our computing board, free. So these are the key points you have to carry back, okay? Talk about embedded feature API. API is very important, which can enable your application and utilize the hardware feature easily. And we have a SUSE API, right? ARM Linux, ARM Android. It's a modularized framework, cross-platform, and we offer the industrial application add-on, SDK, so customers don't have to develop their own feature and shorten the development cycle. Embedded BIOS, we offer more than 10 years version control, longevity support. I don't think any other industrial company can do that. Talk about integration acceleration. We offer EPC CTOS. It's a multiple chassis, peripheral, OS integration, 30 days, within 30 days. Rugged design service, including conformal coating, anti-vibration, and wide temperature guaranteed. It's 100%. I don't know if you hear a story that maybe other peers company also claim they have a wide temperature guarantee, but I can tell you it's sampling. It's sampling. You have to see the production line. Check it, please. We do 100%, multi-cycle. Okay, talk about DDoS service. It's customer-centric design service. It's more advanced. Actually, we provide a standard product. Customer need some modification. We offer DDoS, and then we have a DMS. Okay. And we have a peripheral integration. We offer total solution, one-stop shopping. That's our strength. So, your success, our mission. Thank you.